What's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video we will be talking about the general settings. Okay, so you can see we've got the site title. You guys already know about it. This the site title will be coming up on your site, and also the tagline will also be coming up on your site. You can see just right here and right here as well. So some themes show the tagline, some themes does not show. Now we have got the WordPress site URL. You guys already know about it. So you can see you can add www dot if you want to, and you can add the HTTPS if you want to. You can add different things. Something like this, you can work with the email address if you want to change it. You can change it, then what you can do, you can also change your email address if you want some mails to be received on your that new email address if you want to. Same like this, you can work with the anyone can register thing. Like if someone wants to comment something, that person needs to be registered or something like that. But we will be talking about this later on when we will be building our social networking website, not right now. Okay, so like this, we have got the new user role, so it's going to be just like subscriber, and we've got the site language that is going to be United States. You can select your time zone, you can work with a date format, you can work with a time format. Okay, like this, like it's gonna be hours and minutes, and then it's gonna be like AM, PM in capital or what. Okay, so like this, you can work with the hour and minutes only. Okay, and you can do it like that. So same like this, you can work with a custom if you want to, and it's just like that. It's the preview. Okay, so then we've got the week starts on Monday. So if your week starts on Sunday, you can choose Sunday or Saturday, or you can choose Saturday. The cache level is not necessary right now. We will be talking about this cache level when we will be working with our speed optimization. Basically, it is used for just speeding up your website. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's all. This is just an overview. Then we've got the writing settings. So in the writing settings, you can just like default post category. So default post category is going to be technology, and then we've got the default post format. So how you want it to be the post format. So post format means like how your post is going to be looking like. This is not really necessary in WordPress, okay, because you don't really use this post format, especially when we will be doing our projects. We will not be using these post formats in our website. Okay, so these are just keep that in mind that this is an extra stuff. Okay. Same like this, we have the post via email. This means that you can create your own mail server. Okay, and you can just use the POP3 access, and you can what this will do is that especially when you are creating a blog post, it is really helpful that you can create your own mail server, and then you can go ahead and then you can post your posts by just writing a mail, and that post is automatically automatically comes under the post section. So this is not really recommended by me, because if someone just know the email address and that guy posts it, so that is going to be coming up under that. So if you want to use it, you can definitely use it, but it's not recommended. If we do need it in the future projects, we will definitely use this one. So then we have the update services, and this is also just like when you publish a post, WordPress automatically notifies the following update service. Okay, so this is just like you can say a notification thing, like when you post the post, that post automatically goes in there. So this can be just like for the XML, something like that. This is not necessary right now. So then we have got the reading thing. So in the reading, you guys have already got the basic idea, like this. So your homepage will display homepage, and the post page will be a blog page. Okay, so like this, it has blog pages show at most 10 posts. Now what does this mean is that if I just go to my blog page, then you will see that my blog page will have so many posts here. Let's suppose that I have 20 posts. Okay, then I don't want to show 20 posts on one single page. Instead, I want to show first 10 posts, and then I want to show a button right there to just actually go to the next page. So same like this, you can do that. So it's just like blog pages show at most 10 posts. Same like this, if you just choose it to be like blog pages show at most 1 post. Okay, and then you will come up here, and then when you will refresh this up, then you will see only 1 post will be coming up here, and then I've got the pagination that is like go to the next page. So this is this means that same like this, you can just choose like how many posts you want to show on one single blog post. So I'm just gonna be choosing 10 right here. Syndication, this is also the feed. This is just exactly the same as the ping thing. So like the feed will also show 10 items. You can just keep it as the default. Okay, then we have got the for each article in a feed, show full text. Okay, and then we've got the summary. So let's see if this is showing the full text or summary. So basically, websites do show the summary. Okay, some of the themes do show the summary. There is no need to actually change it to summary. You can see that this theme is definitely showing up the summary. So now here we have the search engine visibility. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. Okay, like if you don't want your users, if you don't want Google to know that this is actually a website, you can discourage the search engines from indexing this website. So now here we have the discussion. So discussion will have everything related to the commenting, like attempt to notify any blogs, allow link notifications from other pingbacks, and allow people to post comments in articles. What is this? Is that when you create a blog, okay, and when you mention any other blog in it by just URL, okay, then that blog will get a notification. It is exactly same like mentioning someone on Facebook. Like if I just go ahead and I just open up facebook.com and I want to mention anyone, okay, like in this comment, okay, I want to mention my friend. So what I will do, I will just write @ and then I can just enter his name. So just like any name I can write here, and his name will be coming up right here, and I can then just go ahead and I can just work with it. So I can just mention him up, and you can see that when I press enter, he will be notified. So this is exactly same like this, like if you want to just notify other blogs for that. So this means that. Then we've got the allow people to post comments on new articles. So this means that when a new article is posted, whether you want to allow people to post comment. And then we have the comment author must fill out name and email address, and users must be registered and logged into comment. So if you just select this, then you should also be going ahead to the general settings, and you will be selecting that anyone can register should be enabled there. Okay, so anyone can register should be enabled there, so that user can just go ahead and he can log in to post the comment. Automatically close comments on article older than 28 days. So if an article is just like older than 28 days, then we will not accept comments in there. Okay, but you can see this is just right here. It says logged in as Tanzeel Ur Rehman, and then it says log out. So let me just show it to you. If I just copy this up and then I open this up in an incognito window. Incognito window is a window that doesn't have your login information. So and that doesn't store any of the sessions, any of the cookies and anything. So you can press Control Shift and N to actually go to the incognito mode, and you can just enter your website name. So I'm just gonna enter my website name here, and let's see if my website shows me to comment in here. And you can see that when I'm just trying to comment here, it is asking me to enter my name, email address, and my website if I have, but this is not static, so this is not necessary to enter the website. And I can then just hit post comment here. Now let's suppose that if I just go ahead and I just say that users must be registered and logged into comment. Okay, and then I just go ahead and I just hit the save changes button, and then I just come up here and I just refresh this up, then you will see that it will tell me to users must be logged in to post a comment. So if I just go ahead and I just hit login right now, then you will see that it's going to be right here, and now the person cannot actually sign in, basically sign up for my website. So I basically want to open that sign up thing for my users. So how can I do that? I can just go to the general settings, and then I can go ahead and I can just hit the anyone can register thing, and I can then come up here, and then when I will come here and I will refresh this up, then you will see. Okay, it says users must be logged in. So I just go to the login, and then you can see it says register. So the 10 person can register, and he can just click there, and then he can post a comment. So this is how it's basically going to work. But I would not recommend you to restrict this thing for the users to just like, when they want to post something, they definitely should not be registered. Okay, because comment should be for the public. Okay. So then we have show comments cookies opt-in box, and then we have the threaded comments. So threaded comment means that when someone posts it, and then another guy replies to that comment, then the only 5 comments, then only 5% can reply at a time. So it can be like this. Okay, if I just go ahead, let me just go ahead and let me uncheck this. Let me just go ahead and let me hit the save changes button. And now I come up here and I just comment in here something. So I just say hello world. Okay, and I just hit the post comment right now, and you'll see that the comment is going to be right there. So let's see. the comment is right here, and now what I can do, I can just go ahead and I can hit the reply button, and I can just say really, and I can just hit post comment right here, and you can see that reply will be coming up right there. So you can see that this is nested. So now I will just reply to him. I will say hello world again, and I will just hit the post comment, and you can see that it is actually a tree-like structure. Okay, so it's just like here, then this is here, and you can just do it like this, like how you want the threaded nested comments. Okay, so like this, we have break comments into pages with 20 top level comment page and the last page displayed by default. So this means that you can also just, if you have so many comments in there, then you can break those comments in that with the 20 topmost comments coming on the top page. So you can also do that. Same like this, we have comments should be displayed with the older comments on the top of the page. You can do that. You can also just select the newer comments to be on the top of the page. You can email me whenever anyone posts a comment, and then you can just select a comment is held for moderation. Basically, now let's talk about how the moderation works. So when someone posts a comment and it is held for moderation, which means that it is not approved, and it will be waited for the approval. That means that that comment needs to be approved to show on the website. So when a comment is held for moderation, an email will be sent to the registered email address that is going to be in the general settings of this thing. Okay, so you can take care of that as well. Now we have this email me whenever anyone posts a comment. Okay, we have done that. Before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved. Now here, this is for the moderation thing. Okay, and comment author must have a previously approved comment. So if the comment author does not have a previously approved comment, then the comment will be held for moderation. Now let me open this up in a private window. You can see that this is incognito mode. Okay, and now what I do, I just go ahead and I just say let me just refresh this up. Okay, and now you can see that these comments are right here coming. Now I want to give a reply. I will just say haha. Okay, and I will just go ahead and I will just add something here. Okay, and I just go ahead and I just hit the post comment right now, and you will see that the comment will be just held for the moderation, and it will say that the comment is held for moderation. Let's go ahead and let's see. So you can see no comment is just right here appearing, and the reason for that is because our comment is held for the moderation. So if we just go ahead and we just refresh this up, then you will see that the comments is right here, and if I just go ahead and I just open this up, then you will see that the comment would be in the moderation, and I can then just go ahead and I can hit approve it, I can spam it, and I can also trash it as well. So spam means that whenever he will just post a comment in the future, that comment will be deleted. Okay, so this means a spam. So same like this, you can work with it. You can approve it, and if you will approve it, then his comment will be appearing on your website. So now you can see, if I just go ahead and I just refresh this up, you can see that this is the post, this is the comment that is coming. So anyway, now let's go ahead and let's go back to our discussion thing, and we have got the comment moderation. So hold a comment in the queue if it contains 2 or more links. Okay, so if it contains 2 more links, then we will hold the comment for the moderation. When a comment contains any of these words, then the WordPress will keep it in the moderation. So you can just add some abusive words in here. Same like this, you can add some words in here as well, that if someone posts some abusive words in here, his comment will be automatically put in the trash. Okay, and now you can go ahead and you can work with the and now here you can just work with the avatar. So avatar is this. You can see this is what we call as the avatar. If you just come up here, you can see this is the default avatar that will come. So you can change your avatar the way you want to. You can just use this logo, or any logo that you want to use. Okay. Same like this, we have got the media discussion, media thing. So in the media settings, you can work with like how much images size you want. So you can work with a width and height of 150 pixels, and you can also crop it. You can also work with these, but we will be talking in detail about this media settings later on when we will be working with their e-commerce websites and these things. Okay, then we've got the organize my uploads into month and year based folders. So if I just go ahead and let me show it to you, if I just go to library and then I open up an image, so then you will see that the images are actually organized in the folders like that. So let me just open up this image. Okay, and you can see this image URL is this. So if I just go ahead and I just copy it up and I just come up here and I paste it, then you can see this image is actually organized in 2018 folder, 12th month, and this like that. So if you just uncheck that, then that organization will be removed from there. Same like this. Now we have the permalinks. So now the permalinks part is very main. You can see that if I just go to the post, and now I want to show the date to that post as well. So what I will do, I will just choose day and name, and now when I will hit the save changes, you will see that now the posts that I have here would be just not normal. Okay, just like a title would be coming up in there. So if I just go ahead and I just view this page up, you will see that a title is just right here. And if I just go ahead and I just select the day and name, and I just hit the save changes right now, then you will see that on going back, and then when I will just come up here, I will refresh this page up, and now when I will visit this view this post, then you can see that the posts are just like coming up like this. So if you want to show a date, you can definitely show it. It totally depends upon you. Same like this, you can choose a custom structure if you want to use as well, but I will probably be going ahead and I'll be going ahead with the post name here. And that's all we have. The category and the tag we will be talking about more in detail when we are moving ahead with the e-commerce website. And then we've got the privacy. So privacy is just for normal, like if you want to add a privacy policy page, you can just create it, and then you can go ahead and you can just right here create a new page, and then you can go ahead and you can publish that page up. So that privacy policy page will be automatically created, and then you can go ahead and you can hit the publish button, and then you can hit the publish. Basically, privacy policy is really important page, so I would highly recommend you to go ahead and create that page. Anyway, we are totally done with the settings of our website. Stay tuned, guys, and